Managing product feeds for multiple sales channels can be tough. Common issues are meeting marketplace requirements, keeping data consistent, fixing errors, and managing costs. Our solution streamlines this process. Let us introduce you to the Advanced Product Feeds module by Mirasvit. It's your ultimate solution for seamless feed management in Magento. Easily create feeds, support over 50 marketplaces, customize to your needs, and track performance effectively. Let's check the product demo and see its capabilities. Click the demo link on our website. In our demo, you will see a list of feeds created in this Magento store. Each feed name links to its file and displays some statistics. Let's create a new feed by clicking Add Feed. Choose the feed type, such as Google Shopping. Enter the feed name and file name, then click Save. The feed is created, and you can preview it. You'll see an XML file with product information. Click the Generate button to create the feed. The generation time depends on the number of products in your store or the number you wish to export. Copy the feed link to view it. The feed contains all product information. Add this feed to Google Shopping, which will fetch the data and display your products. If you change prices or stock quantities, Google Shopping will automatically update and reflect those changes. This process ensures data synchronization with Google Shopping. Now, let's check the module settings. In the Content tab, you can edit the feed template to customize it as needed. This template uses a simple liquid language, making it easy to customize with variables for your specific requirements. Next, we have filters. You can apply or create filters for the feed. To create a filter, go to Filters, click Add New Filter, and set conditions like stock status, category, or price range. Google Analytics tags can be added for tracking clicks and traffic. Schedule how often to generate the feed. Enter FTP or SFTP settings to automatically upload the feed to external marketplaces. Configure reporting to collect and display analytical data. Check the reports for all feeds and filter specific feeds as needed. Map your catalog categories to Google categories, easily using the built-in Google taxonomy. Save the mappings and you're done. Try Advanced Product Feeds now. Enjoy a risk-free experience with our 30-day refund policy. Reach out to our team if you have questions or want a personalized demo.